Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to your next lesson in your week on division. Let's have a look. Today, can you put the date, 21st of the 1st, 21, in your book, and the learning objective for today's learning to scale up or down from a number. When you are ready, have a go at the flashback 4, quick reminders of previous skills that you've done. Do numbers 1 to 4 and don't forget to have a go at the clock. Pause the video. When you're ready, press play again and we'll look at the answers. Here are the answers to those questions. Number 1, work out 45 divided by 4. The answer is 11 with a remainder of 1. Number 2, multiply 17 by 3. The answer is 51. Number 3, how many sides do 8 pentagons have? The answer is 40 sides because a pentagon has 5 sides and 8 times 5 is 40. Number 4, what is 10 less than 309? That means take away 10. The answer, 299. And the time on the clock, it's not yet 8 o'clock and it's back by 15 minutes. So it is 7:45 a.m. or p.m. Let's get ready then to do our learning for today. We're learning to scale up or down from a number. Let's begin that learning. So, first of all, we're going to warm up our skills. Let's have a go at these together. Number 1, how many apples are there all together? Count how many in this bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you work out how many in all of the bags? Let's see how you did. So, there are 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Number 2, complete the calculations. What is 3 times 10? That's right, it's 30. What about if we work with this backwards? What is 30 if we divide it equally into 3 groups? That's correct, it's 10. Let's have a look at this one. What is 3 times 2 first of all? That's 6, correct. So what would 3 times 20 be? Yes, 60. Let's have a look. What about if we use this fact again, using the inverse? 60 divided by the 3 gives us what answer? That's correct, 20. Number 3, double means times by 2. Double each of the numbers below. What's double 15? Double 10 is 20. Double the 5? Yeah, makes 30 when we add the 20, add the 10. Double 20, 40. Double 5, 10. Together is 50. Double 30, 60. Double 5, 10. Together makes 70. Double 40, 80. Double 5, 10. Put them together. Yes, we have 90. Our skills are warmed up now. Let's learn. These children are making snowballs. She says, I have twice as many snowballs as you. Do you agree with Eva? Let's check, shall we? Does Eva have twice as many snowballs as Amir? Well, we need to understand what twice means. It means times 2. Has she got his number times 2? Let's check. He's got 1, 2, 3. And she has 1, 2, 3. And she has it again. He has 3 snowballs. She's got 3 and 3 more. That's twice as many. She has 6 snowballs. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 is twice as many as 3. Let's check. Amir now has 5 snowballs. If Eva has twice as many snowballs, how many will she have? That's right. Twice means times by 2. Let's build it. There's her 5, but she needs twice as many. She needs another 5. So now she has 10 snowballs. 2 lots of 5 is 10. 10 is twice as many as 5. So Eva has 10 snowballs. Now Eva has 10 snowballs. Here's Whitney. Wow, Whitney, you've been busy. You've got a lot of snowballs. Whitney says, I have made 3 times as many snowballs as you. 3 times. So how many snowballs has Whitney made? Have a think. So, if Eva has 10 snowballs, I'm going to use a bar model to help me draw it out. Here's Eva, and I'm drawing a bar. What's it worth? That's right, it's worth 10. Here's Whitney, and she has 3 times as many. That means she has the same size bar of 10 and 10 more and 10 more again because she has 3 times as many. Each one is worth 10. Can you see how many snowballs Whitney has? Whitney has 30 snowballs. What other things can we work out from the bar model? Have a think. Let's have a look. We can see that there is a difference between this bar and this bar of 20 because 10 add 10 makes that 20. So Whitney here has got 20 more snowballs than Eva. We could also look at it and say that Eva has got 20 fewer snowballs than Whitney. And all together, if we add them up, 10, add 10, add 10, add 10, that makes 40 snowballs all together that the girls have made. Let's use that learning now in this bar model. Here is a bar model to represent how children in Class 3 travel to school. We have a school bus, a car, and walking. You can see on this bar there is 1, and on this bar there are 2, twice as many. In this one, compared to the first one, how many more are there? We're going to use this bar model now to complete the sentences. How many children travel by bus compared to car? So, something as many children travel by car as by bus. We need to use this information and this one. How many more? Have a think. Let's have a look. Twice as many. There are 2 times more on the car. What about how many children walk? So how many children walk compared to travelling by bus? Let's get the right information and slide it up to compare. There are 5 times as many. Let's compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times as many. Well done if you got that right. Now you're going to have a go at questions 1 to 6 on the worksheet. Let me show you how to show it in your book. This is how I expect you to lay it out, using 1 in each square and laid out neatly under each other. Use our best handwriting when we do writing and lay out our calculations as normal. You can pause the video here and use this expectation to help you lay it out neatly. Have a go at all the questions 1 to 6 on the worksheet and then come back to the video. Let's have a go then at the next questions. Here are 2 toys. The giraffe is 3 times as tall as the elephant. How tall is the elephant? Have a think. Let's think about how we could work it out. We could use 1 bar to represent the size of the elephant, and above we could use 3 times as many to represent the giraffe. Now let's use the information from the picture to show how long this piece is. Yes, it's 60 centimetres. Now you can see that 60 is split between 3. It's shared. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. We need to write that on each section. Can you see what size the piece for the elephant will be? That's right, it's 20. So the elephant is 20 centimetres tall. 60 is 3 times greater than 20. 20 is 3 times smaller than 60. Let's look at a new question. Amir and Ron have some playing cards. Amir has twice as many cards as Ron. Altogether, there are 24 cards. How many cards does each boy have? Have a think, pause the video and come back to me. So here is Ron. Here's his piece. And here is Amir. He has twice as many, so I need to draw 2 pieces on my bar model. Altogether, this piece and this piece and this piece makes 24. We record it like this. Can you see what calculation we need to do? That's right, we're sharing all of that 24 between 1, 2, 3 pieces. So we do 24 shared between 3 is 8. That 8 must be written on each piece. So we can see that Ron has 8 cards. How many does Amir have? 8 add 8 makes 16. Or 2 times 8 makes 16. So Amir has 16 cards. It's your turn now to have a go at the rest of the questions on the worksheet. To help you, I've shown you how to lay this out in your book, nice and neatly. Do this for each question, and when you've finished your work, congratulations. Good luck everyone, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow.